Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix PhonePe technical issue problem. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing PhonePe technical issue problem with your SBI, then I will show you how to fix this issue. Guys, mostly this problem occurs when you check the balance in your PhonePe with your SBI account link. Mostly in this you are unable to check your SBI account balance and you will see only fetching balance. After that you will see technical issue problem. So I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you just need to long press on your PhonePe app, then go to the app info. You can see your last second option, app info. Just tap on that. Once tap on the force stop, tap on OK. Go to storage and cache. Once tap on the clear cache. After that you just need to tap on the clear storage. Before tapping delete, you have to read this carefully. This app's data including files and settings will be permanently deleted from this device. Means when you tap on delete, your PhonePe details will be deleted. Again you have to log in with your registered mobile number. After reading this, just tap on delete, then go back and check whether your problem is fixed or not. Still you are facing the issue, you just need to open your browser, then type down detector. You have to select the first option. This is down detector official website to check which application's server is down. You can see Jio, Gmail, State Bank of India. Whichever app's server is down, you will get the information from here. If you found, you can see here State Bank of India here, means State Bank server is down. You need to wait for some time because it is a bug from the SBI. So you need to wait for some time. After that it will be resolved automatically. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix PhonePe technical issue problem. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.